Good evening, students. I am Yogesh Chand Sharma, English PGT, RPS Bhairod. Let's start our fifth chapter, The Snake and the Mirror. Do you like to look at yourself in the mirror? And what do you think about at such times? Have you ever seen a dog, a cat, or a bird look into a mirror? What do you think it sees? Now read this humorous story, means full of humor story about a doctor, a snake, and a mirror. Has a snake ever coiled? Coiled means sit round in round shape or twisted into a ring. So has a snake ever itself round any part of your body? Means any part of your body is coiled by a full-blooded cobra. All of us fell silent. The question came from the homeopath, means the question came from the doctor, homeopath. The topic came up when we are discussing snakes. Means when we were discussing about the snake, at that time the topic came from the side of the doctor. We listen attentively, we listen carefully as the doctor continued with his tale. As the doctor continued with his story, we listen carefully. Attentively means carefully. It was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock, means it was 10 o'clock and it was a hot summer night. Means in hot summer night it was 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. Means after taken meal in the restaurant, returned to his room. When doctor returned to his room, I heard a noise, he heard a noise from above as I opened the door. When he opened the door, he heard a noise. The sound was a familiar one, but that sound was the known one, familiar one. One could say that the rats and I shared the room. He says that, doctor says that I and rats were living in my room. It means rats are coming and going into his room. I took out my box of matches. He took out a box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table, and he lit the lamp on the table. The house was not electrified. At that time there was not, electricity. It was a small rented room. He was living in a small rented room. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. Meager means less, small in quantity. Means his earning was small in quantity when he was doing medical practice. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. Doctor says that he had got 60 rupees in his suitcase along with some shirts and dhotis. I also possessed one solitary black coat. He says that I have got some shirts, some dhotis and a single black coat which I was then wearing. Means he was wearing the coat what he had, black color. I took off my black coat, white shirt and not so white vest and hung them up. He put off his coat and white shirt and hung them up. I opened the two windows in the room and he opened the two windows in the room. It was an outer room with one wall facing the open yard. Okay, the one wall is opening towards the compound. It had a tiled roof. You can see in the picture how it has a tiled roof and gable. One wall facing the open yard, it had a tiled roof with long supporting gables that rested on the beam. This gable is resting upon the beam. over the wall. There was no ceiling, there was a regular traffic of rats to and from the beam. Means these rats are coming and going into the room by the beam. I made my bed and pulled it close to the wall. He drew his bed near to the wall and tried to sleep. I lay down, he lay down, but I could not sleep. But he could not sleep. Doctor could not sleep. I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air. He wanted to inhale fresh air, or he felt like suffocated in his room. Then he went to take little air in the veranda. But the god seemed to have taken time off. It seems as if the god wind is angry, or the sense is there is no air. I went back into the room. When he returned into the room and sat down on the chair, when he sat on the chair, I opened the box beneath the table. Then he opened the box under the table, beneath Miss under, and took out a book. And he took out a book, the Materia Medica. The Materia Medica book is medical book. So he took out a medical book. I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp and large mirror. So he opened it at the table on which stood the lamp, on which the lamp is stood, and large mirror is lying, or या ये कहें कि a large mirror is stood, or a small comb lay beside the mirror, or a small comb is lying near the mirror. One feels tempted means attracted, one feels attracted to look into a mirror when it is near one. I took a look. Okay. So one is attracted if one saw the mirror and comb. To took a look means he wanted to look the mirror. In those days I was a great admirer of beauty, and I believed in making myself look handsome. He wanted to look handsome, that's why he wanted to see the mirror, or he was attracted to see the mirror. I was unmarried and I was a doctor. He says I was unmarried and I was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. He wanted to make his presence felt to the other people. That's why he wanted to see, or he wanted to look the mirror. I picked up means I took the comb, he took the comb and ran it through my hair. He ran it through the air and adjusted the parting, so that parting means fine in the line in the air, okay, parting, so that it looked straight and neat. So I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting means adjusted the line in the hair, मांग जिसको कहते हैं, so that it looked straight and neat, so that that line looked straight and lean, means he was adjusting himself before the mirror. Again I heard the sound from above. Again he heard the familiar sound. Familiar sound in the sense the rats are coming and going out from his room. So that may be the sound of the collapse down of the rats. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. Again he had a close look to the mirror. I made an important decision. At the same time he took an important decision. I would save daily, he would have saving daily, and grow a thin mustache, or he will grow a thin mustache. Mustache मूछें जो होती हैं. To look more handsome, so that he look more handsome. So he would do daily shaving and maintain the thin mustache so that he may look handsome. I was after all a bachelor. Further he says I am a bachelor and a doctor, or I am a doctor. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. So when he looked the glass or mirror or he passed the smile, that smiling was very attractive smile. So he actually says smiling is good habit, so one should cultivate it. I made another earth shaking decision. What he made the earth shaking decision? I would always keep that attractive smile. He will always maintain that attractive smile on my face, on his face. To look more handsome, so that he look more handsome. Means he will maintain the attractive smile on his face all the time, so that he may look more handsome. I was after all a bachelor. Further he says I am after all a bachelor and a doctor, to on top of it are all these things maintaining the smiling and beauty or handsomeness is top of. Again came that noise from above, again he heard a noise. I got up, packed up. Packed up means moved. He got up and moved and down the room, and he went down to the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. Another lovely thought came to in his mind. When he got up and moved up and down, then a thought came into his mind. I would marry. What was the thought? He says that I would get married to a woman doctor. Means he wanted to get married a woman doctor who had plenty of money, who is rich and good medical practice, or who had a lot of practice, medical practice. She had to be fat. Means he wanted to get married with a fat girl for a valid reason, or for that, getting the married to such a fat girl, there is a reason left behind, or there is a solid reason. What is the solid reason? If I made some silly mistake, he says, if I committed any silly mistake and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. He says, if I get married with a fat, girl, if I committed any error, so she will not be able to catch me or chase me. With such thoughts in my mind, I resume. I resume in the sense took up again. He was resuming, taking again my seat in the chair in front of the table. In front of the table, he was resuming his seat. At that time, the thought came into his mind. There were no more sounds from above. Suddenly, there came a dull thud. Thud is dull sound. Suddenly, he heard a dull sound, as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Actually, it was not a rubber tube. Actually, it was a snake. Surely nothing to worry about. Even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. So he wanted to look. He wanted to have a view what the sound or thud it was. No. Sooner had I turned, means as he turned, then a fat snake wriggled. Wriggled means moved. A fat snake moved over the back of the chair and landed on and climbed on. Means the snake climbed on my shoulder, on his shoulder, on doctor's shoulder. The snake's landing on me and the snake was landing on him, and my turning were simultaneously. Means simultaneously in the sense happening at the same time. Means two things were happening at the same time. The doctor was turning and the snake was landing. Okay. So dear students, go through it, and remaining part of the chapter we will complete in the next video. And word meanings, what you came across, what you go through in the book, in the glossary, note it down from there, and rest I will send you in pic. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.